going on YouTube? It's your boy Burt Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Today, we're going to unbox these Funko Pops I've had sitting around for weeks. I mean weeks. I just did a shoe review. I did a live cop. And I have another shoe review coming. So make sure you guys hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you can stay tapped into my channel. We doing it moving around here. We keeping the flow of things. Matter of fact, the first thing I want to get into, I said we're unboxing Funko Pops. So the first Funko Pop I want to get into, or I want to unbox or let you guys see because it's not in a box, is Pop 405 from the Mandalorian. This is like a Disney Plus Mandalorian Funko Pop collaboration. Star Wars type deal. I'm kind of getting into Star Wars. I didn't get this. A subscriber got this for me, so shout out to Rob. Rob, thank you. You are much appreciated. This is the second time Rob's gotten me a Funko Pop. And it's kind of cool because it kind of motivates me. It's like when I know somebody's gotten me a Funko Pop, I'm like, I need to drop a video so I can shout that person out. And so you guys can go ahead and thank Rob that I'm dropping this video because I probably wouldn't even have dropped it already. So we got the child right here. Like I said, Pop number 405. Much appreciated, Rob. Much appreciated. This is a bobblehead, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, this is a bobblehead. I think it's pretty dope. I don't know if I'll open it. I gotta kind of wait till I get my room all situated the way I want it before I actually start taking the pops that I want out of the boxes. Alright, so shout out to Rob. I had been doing some shopping online and came across this Funko Pop number 896. This is the Billy Madison. It was a Target exclusive. I'm pretty sure I got this off the website. Or did I get, no, you know what? Actually, I take that back. I got this one at Target. While shopping. I thought it was pretty dope. Classic movie. Pop number 896. Is there any other ones that I got? This one right here, I also got at Target. I think I got this one and the Billy Madison the same day. Pop number 397, CB6B. This is a Disney Star Wars Funko collab. Galaxy Z trading post. So that was cool. That's another bobblehead. The Star Wars ones, I'm pretty sure at some point I'll end up taking them out the box. Like I said, when I get my room situated, I'll drop a video with all my Funko Pops and how I've, right now you kind of see them in the background. I just don't have anything to do with, anywhere to put them exclusively right now. But you'll see, once I get them settled and everything gets put the way it should be, I'll shoot a video. Okay, so that's 3. Next, I got this one at Walgreens. Frankenstein, Pop number 607. This is from the Pop movies. This is like a Universal Funko Pop collaboration. This glows in the dark. I got this around Halloween. And I bought it because we did a whole setup for my daughter, and I wanted this to be one of the things that glowed in the dark, but never ended up using it. Regardless, we got the Funko Pop Frankenstein, Pop number 607. There's the back of it. And like I said, you guys know I work. My work entails me going into a whole bunch of different stores, so anytime I go into a Walgreens, I always look. All right, now we can get into some of the pops that I ordered offline. So I got this box right here. We're gonna open it up. Well, I mean it's open, but we're gonna unbox. So we got a couple in here. One of these, yeah, this one right here is from the Simpsons Treehouse Horror. Pop 1026. I watched a lot of The Simpsons when I was younger, so you'll notice that from time to time I'll keep copping different Bart Simpsons or Homer Simpsons. This is Space Bart, right? Yes, Spaceman Bart. Kind of got Maggie in his belt buckle. Looks like she's has a jack-o'-lantern in her lap. So maybe this is like, you know, part of like a Halloween. It's a 20th Century Fox Funko collab. Pop number 1026. You can kind of see on the side. This might be one of the ones I open up. I'm not sure. Shit, I might open them all, to be honest with you. Pop 1026, The Simpsons Treehouse of Horror. Also on here, we got the Grim Reaper Homer, Zombie Bart, Devil Flanders, Vampire Krusty. Vampire Krusty would be kind of dope. And Jack in the Box Homer would be kind of dope. So I'm going to try to get my hands on some of those. All right, next. Seems like I was kind of with the Halloween theme, so I'm pretty sure when I had bought these, it was all around Halloween. Next up is Friday the 13th, Jason. I've never known how to say the last name of Jason, but this is a New Line Cinema Funko Pop collab. Side note, Funko's stock is like almost to $10. It's less than it would cost to buy a Funko Pop. So, food for thought. Make sure you invest your money too. Don't just spend your money on things. And if you spend $10 on one of these, you could buy a piece of Funko's company. Anyways, that's not why we're here. Friday the 13th, Pop number 1. This was also supposed to go out on Halloween, but I never pulled it out the box. What else do we got? Do we got anything else? One more box that I have not even opened myself. I don't know if it's one Funko in here or if it's two. I don't remember. Hopefully I don't have to edit this video and I can upload this and then I can shoot. I have another video I wanted to shoot today. Yeah, so it's just one. This one's pretty dope though. Got the Back to the Future Marty McFly in the in the future outfit is what it says. Pop number 962. There was a lot of different ones that I wanted to get my hands on when it came to this collection of Back to the Future Pops, but I wasn't trying to be super frivolous with my money, so I picked one, and I picked these because if you can tell, he has the Air Mags on. I thought that was dope. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I collect sneakers, so they kind of got me with that. Yeah, he has the Air Mags on in this one. This one's definitely going to come out of the box at some point. Well, anyways, that's it, you guys. Go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys. We finally got above 100 subscribers, so shout out to the last 3 or 4 subscribers. I know Darren, you were my 100th subscriber, so shout out to you. I may do a Funko giveaway or something. Matter of fact, when we hit when we hit 200 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. And I'll give away one of my Funko Pops. So, I appreciate you guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you can stay tapped in with your boy. It's your boy, Bert Collins. Peace.